Right, area of a triangle program. We go to program, new. We're going to do area, try, R. And we're going to start off by telling the user what information we need. So we're going to display second alpha lock to use, we're using all the green letters, and we're starting with the quotation marks. So we're going to ask for the base. So base is, and then we're going to ask them to put in for prompt, and we're going to give them the letter B. So we're assigning whatever number you put into the variable B. And next we're going to display do the alpha lock again. Now we want the height. So height is, now we're gonna prompt for the letter H, and then we do the formula. So 1/2 times base times height. We're going to store that to A for area, so 1/2 base times height, and then we're going to display. Area of where's T? There it is, T. Area of triangle is, and then display the variable, or the what we did the assign the answer to. So A. And now we'll give it a shot. So to run it, you go to program, area of a triangle, hit enter to run it, and then it's going to ask us. So base is 10 and height is 5. So the area of the triangle is 25. Fantastic.